We're here at Seacombe Ferry Terminal inspecting all the very significant infrastructure work that we've invested here at the ferry terminal. The existing structure really had kind of reached the end of its operational life and needed a significant upgrade. So we've renewed the linkspan bridges, we've done a lot of significant work that's ongoing to the pontoon, and there's significant investment going into the listed terminal building itself, getting ready for the new Eureka Children's Museum that we're going to be welcoming to the region in the spring of next year. The ferry terminal's been out of service for quite a few months now because of the very significant nature of the work, but we're focusing on early 2022 being able to open up the terminal again and resume the ferry service here at Seacombe. We've had a ferry terminal here on this site for over 130 years, and it was ripe and ready for significant investment. The Mersey ferry service is a key, unique part of life here in the Liverpool City region. It's a key part of our transport network. Many people use it as a means of commuting across the river to work in Liverpool or in Seacombe. But also as well, it's a key visitor attraction. So many people, both locally, but visitors from far away, actually use this as a key part of their visit to the region. And it's absolutely right that we're investing in the infrastructure to make sure that the Mersey ferry service from Seacombe, the Pierhead and Woodside is going to be with us for the long term.